Hey guys, I'm Hallie. Welcome to Ask an Expert with wikiHow. Today I'm sitting down with John Lundin, a psychologist here in the San Francisco Bay Area. What are the signs of depression? What distinguishes it from just kind of everyday sadness? How do you know when you're depressed?
Well, depression is a term that's used to describe a lot of different feelings or levels of, sometimes they call it dysthymia, but it can manifest in different ways at different age groups. The main symptoms in adults are loss of interest in your activities, but you may never had much passion or interest in life, and that's a sign that the depression may have gone back a long time in a person's life. So loss of interest in activities, persistent negative thoughts, concentration on sort of the darker aspects of life, suicidal ideation when the depression becomes more extreme, as well as just sort of not being motivated to even get out of bed or leave the house.